Hey you guys, this is the finished product. I just got me a little small bowl. And this is my homemade coleslaw. And I just got me 3 little chicken wings. And got me some sweet baby red hot sauce. I like that one very much. And this my little bit of chicken. And this coleslaw is the bomb.com. Right here, that crunch. Good. I'm gonna take a little bite of this chicken. That's good, y'all. So, let your girl go in here and sit down and enjoy this hot sauce. Y'all like a lot of hot sauce on y'all? Look at that. I'm gonna try to know about this coleslaw. It's crunchy. The cabbage is fresh. The carrots is fresh. It's so good. I might have to make me some more of this. Okay, you guys, just a finished product. And I thank you for watching. And it's bye-bye for now.